basic normal form. Now let's go to workflows. Let's create a workflow. Workflow name is sheets integration. Let's select a form which is the sheets form. Now I click on create workflow. Let's hit the start button. Now we need to start on the sheets form. Now once this workflow is triggered when the data is submitted on the sheets form. Once that is done, um, let's insert the Google spreadsheet widget. Let's connect it to the start step. And here we need to add the Google account with which the sheet needs to be linked. Let's link it with my account for now. So you need to give all the permissions to Axonator. This is the kind of pop-up that appears. And once that is done, you will get a message of authentication is successful. And then you close the window. And once this is done, you can just stop the workflow by using the stop widget. Connect it with the spreadsheet widget. And save the workflow. Yeah. So we have logged into the application. Now the name of the application was integrations. Let's go there. Let's select the sheets option. This is the form that we just created. Let's add some data here. My name is Vedant. Let's click on yes, comments, testing, Google Sheets, integration. Let's save. Now I have submitted this data. Now let's check my spreadsheets. Let's click on sheets and you can see the data that I just filled on the sheets. It's directly getting updated whenever the data is filled through phone. So this is how you can easily link Axonator with Google Spreadsheets.